Maiden Hair Fern is a delicate fern with fan-shaped leaves and dark brown, wiry stems. They not only look delicate, but they are actually delicate. They do not like direct sunlight at all, and they like a lot of humidity. So if you keep it inside and suppose there is low humidity inside, or it is dry and it is next to a window where a lot of sunlight is coming, it is very easy to kill it. So I'm going to show you what I did wrong when I kept it inside my house, and then how I almost killed it and then resurrected it. I had this beautiful maiden hair fern, and it was growing so well, and it was lush green, and really this container was looking so good. So I decided that I want to display all this inside the house, and I moved it inside. And because it's winter time and the heat is on inside, and within 1 week, you know, this is what happened. All the leaves dried up. I was so sad. I know that this fern likes cooler temperatures and shade, and I didn't realize that the heat inside will be so hot for this plant. So anyways, now as you can see that I have removed all the dead foliage, and I'm going to trim it a little bit more, all these dead stems. And you can see already, now it's been about 2 weeks that I moved it outside again, because it's cold and a lot of airflow, and you can see these fresh green growth from the bottom. So hopefully in a couple of months it will be full again. But this is one thing that you have to really be careful when you are working with ferns. They like cold temperatures and shade. So this is early morning sun, so probably it doesn't hurt, but they don't like really hot sun. So as it starts to regrow, I'll keep you posted. So it's been a few weeks, and you can see that all those shoots, they have opened up. You can see fresh green leaves. These two shoots are the old ones. You can see the color difference, and some of the leaves are drying up. But now this is in an area where it gets very little sun in the morning, probably 1 hour, and that's it. And it's thriving here. And so that's the thing, that most of these ferns, they like shade, but this one specifically, it likes shade, and it likes lot of humidity, and it likes cooler temperatures. By the way, if you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video is uploaded. It's been a few weeks that we brought this fern outside and trimmed it. And look at this now. It's so beautiful. So outside, it is in complete shade now. I moved, it was up there and it was getting eastern sunlight, but then I moved it down on the deck, and now it doesn't get any sunlight, or maybe filtered sunlight for an hour or so. That is to eastern sun. But look at this, how it is flourishing. And these leaves are so delicate, but they look so nice. So this is a perfect plant to keep in your north side of the house if you want to keep it outside. So right now, the temperatures in the daytime are around 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and at night time around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is just thriving here. It is in shade. The soil is moist all the time because I keep watering it. And the soil is good, and it is just really happy here. If you look at it, there is some new growth here. I think because it was facing this side, all the branches are going in that direction. But if you look at the back side, you know These stems are like really hard stick, dark colored hard stick. But look at the growth. So to recap, keep the plant in a shaded area, and but with a lot of indirect sunlight, no direct sunlight. Keep the atmosphere around it humid and keep the soil evenly moist. Don't let it go through dry spells. And for that, don't use very small container, because then it will be hard to maintain the moisture consistently. It is better to have, a medium sized container at least. And during the growth period in spring and summer, you can fertilize it once in a month, because you'll be watering it so often, so the nutrients will get washed away. So it's good to fertilize it once a month. And that's about it. And to propagate, you can just divide the roots and make new plants. But they like congested roots, so let them grow in a planter for 2 3 years, and only then, when you see that it is really root bound, then you can divide them. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.